Hi everyone, welcome to my review of the All Seasons Indoor Composter. You can get the starter kit on Amazon for about $70. Check out the link in the description. The kit comes with an instruction manual, a compost bin, and a bag of dry bokashi bran. Using the composter is very easy. You just have to chop the food scraps after each meal and put them in the composter. Then add a layer of bokashi compost starter and close the lid. If you are running out of the dry bokashi bran, you can buy it on Amazon, starting at $16. Check out the link in the description. Thanks to the built-in spigot, you can collect your compost tea after a few days and use it as a powerful plant fertilizer. All you have to do is drain it, dilute it with water, and use it to nurture your houseplants or your garden. Once the composter is filled to capacity, you can transfer the compost to your garden, compost pile or planter for further breakdown. I tested the composter for a few weeks and I think it's a very good product. It's easy to use, almost odorless, and I constantly get a powerful plant fertilizer to nurture my garden. So if you are looking for an indoor composter starter kit to turn all your food waste into compost, I would recommend the All Seasons Indoor Composter. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.